I'm very demure. I'm very cute. I'm very demure.
Good boy. Well, well, well. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset?
What are you doing?
You want to stretch?
Métete, métete, güey, métete.
This, I bought this with money. I just gave money to somebody and they gave this to me.
Stuck in the rain. Someone's a bit scared.
Terrible las putas que se me tiran. Se me avalanchan en el auto, las zorras putas.
Help is on the way, dear.
This is Delmar.
Help is on the way.
Hi.
I'm gonna have to just bust this. It's already cracked. To get your head out of there.
Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh! Stop! I don't like this game.
¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿Le estás tirando la ropa? ¿Le estás tirando la ropa a tu mamá? ¿O te portas? ¿O te portas de... ¡Ay! ¡Ay! ¡Gina, no! Hey, 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 it's gone. What the fuck? What the hell?
How scared she must have felt in those final moments. How she probably died feeling.
What are your plans today?
What personal space is. Do you? No, you don't.
Just gonna trim the nails up a little bit. Paula, what are you doing?
Just thinking about this gun
That ain't it. Right, Lexi? That's not it. She hates when you dance.
Get Prince. Swallowing the stick. This one?
We don't bark. Now, what did I just say?
Oh my word.
He's a big, big boy. He's a very happy boy. He's a very sticky boy and a very pretty boy. He's a good, good boy, but he eats all of his.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
Dale.
I don't give a shit what the world thinks.
No.
Celeste, ¿te gustan? ¿No?
Clever girl.
Що то за шапка в тебе? Того, що не влізло під крилки? Ось трошки твоя корона тут нерівна, дай на поправлю. Шапка патріарха.
Sigue cantando.
Stinging, 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 stinging.
Honey, why do you look like a tiny, tiny seal right now? That's very cute. I think you're very cute.
Maybe he. Okay, Winston.
I said English or Spanish.
He'll only do it to the. You try to say okay, Brainy.
Okay, Papa.
Get it, Bubba.
Oh boy, Brewski.
Hey, did you do that? Was it you? Excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
He's married.
Oh.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing. Me?
Get mama. Get mama. Bubba, get mama. Say mama. Help mama. Come on, go help mama. You know love mama?
What the fuck? Dude, flip!
He's got the zoomies. Oh my.
Какой модный парень.
Ты говоришь, что ботинки модели.
Да.
Why are you sitting like that?
За 600 метрів на кільці поверніть на перший з'їзд.
Ага, поверніть. Я вже раз повернув. Сиди мовчки, везуть, їдь дивись на дорогу.
Get him, puppy.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? It's hanging.
It is your fault. No, it's your fault. You're feeding him too much.
Do you want to go for a ride? Or how about let's go take a bath?
Estoy loco. Estoy loco. La, 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 la.
All right, dogs. If Oliver did it, sing a song.
Was that your impression of a cow?
It's true, I'm not good at a one night stand. But I still need
Quit it. Here. That's your tail, Luce. That's your tail.
Can you show me your booty?
She stopped. She's like, are you going to chase me or what?
Hey, big guy, I'm just going to work. I'll be back tonight.
Not right. Stop. No. Stop. Stop it. Nala.
Так скучився? Так скучився? Ти так скучив. Молодець. Я вже до тебе приїхала.
Tootie. Rudy, what happened? What happened, Tootie?
Em เพิ่งรู้สึก
老板，这怎么办啊，老板？
Nashi. Over here. You have to drop your toy.
Oh, cool. They're cool. Don't worry, it's real cool. The chief is still messing them up, man.
Alam mo, no? No, alam mo. Ay, que bonito na.
That thing could probably jump over the fence.
Get it, fucking get it.
Sit.
Are you a turtle?
It was so funny.
Sonny?
Dad's here! Oh!
Yes, I came here yesterday and got a coffee, and there was.
She's incredibly intelligent.
Right.
People, it would scare them if they knew how smart she is.
You got eight. Let me see. Do you got the rock? No, get over here. Sabe lo que hizo, ¿verdad?
Hello, why'd you jump out?
Can I see your ear?
PoKo.
Enséñale a la chata cómo te hizo el gato los dientes. ¿Así? Whoa! Sit. Calm down. No. Sit. Oh. Oh, big stretch, Buzz.
Nigga, nigga,
I had a couple Red Bulls. You ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before, but I had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull.
Hey, get on down, go.
Okay, I think it's real.
Good girl. Come in. Oh my god.
Ber,